Welcome guys! In this video we're going to learn about how to use non-Cricut pens with your machine, but first I want to let you know that if you want any more Cricut tutorials from me, you can find them on my blog as well as free SVG files on AbbiKirstenCollections.com. If you also are wanting to take your Cricut skills to the next level and learn how to draw your own SVG cut files, make sure to sign up for my course below, the Cutting Edge Crafters. It's linked below this video, and it is being released May of 2019, so you can get on the wait list in advance now. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use non-Cricut brand pens to use with your Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker machines. And this is an awesome thing to do if you plan on using a lot of different pen projects and writing and drawing projects, because it opens up a whole new world of colors and styles of pens that you can use: gel pens, Sharpie markers, Bic markers, Tombow, brush pens. It's really wonderful. You will need a pen adapter set, which is shown here on the left-hand side. They're not very expensive. They are linked below this video. I highly recommend them. I do not sell these personally, but I am using an affiliate link below, and you can find that for your convenience there. So you will need to install one of these adapters into your machine, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. And each one of these adapters is labeled with which type of pen it could work with. Now the wonderful part is too, you can also experiment with other brands of pens outside of what is marked on this adapter to see if they fit. For example, I experimented with a Tombow brush pen and it worked beautifully for calligraphy with one of my adapters here. So it really just gives you a lot of different options to work with if you're wanting to play around with lots of different pen brands and all that stuff. So let me show you real quick how easy it is to install one of these pen adapters. First thing you're going to do is open up clamp A, which is your pen clamp, and at the joint you're going to apply some steady pressure downward while pushing up underneath on the pen adapter. And it's going to feel a little stubborn, and you're going to want to just wiggle it and give it some firm pressure until it pops up like so, and then you can just lift it out. Make sure you don't lose this piece because you will need it again if you want to use Cricut brand pens. And for my example here, I'm using this blue one, which is the Bic marker pen, and you just slide it in with the flat side up and close the clamp over it. Check to see that it is secure. And here is my Bic marker brand pen, and you just remove the cap and then slip it into your pen adapter, and now you have a pen that will work with your Cricut machine that isn't a Cricut brand pen. So this is really awesome if you're just wanting to experiment with different types of pens and colors and tips and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, make sure you grab these adapters. They're really great, and don't lose that Cricut adapter because Cricut has lots of wonderful pens too that you'll probably want to visit those as well at some point. So I'll see you guys in the next video.